YouTube, what's going on, guys? You guys already know that I'm back, okay? And this time it's not, well, it is a wave video, okay? It's a wave video, but it's not a wave video. It's a review, okay? It's a review that a company sent me in the mail, and I was like, and when I saw, okay, I don't know, man. Maybe it's because it's 12 o'clock. The only reason really why I'm recording this video right now is because we got out of school today. Is because it is cold, okay? And Indianapolis is cold. And it's so cold where we weren't even able to go to school today.
The forecasted temperatures are going to be so cold that you can get frostbite if your skin is exposed for just 10 minutes or less.
So I recorded 2 videos today. I recorded a 30-minute long video that you guys already saw. It was brush time, the brand new series that just came out. And basically, yeah, this is the next video that I'm recording. So this video, I got a review on a product for you guys, and the review on the product is this right here. It's called right here, Dream Tsu. Okay, it's a Dream Tsu Wave Bag or Dream TSU. I don't know. Dream Tsu. Okay, and right here it says it right here. Why they made this? Okay, it's a wave accessory bag designed by Dream Tsu. Lather innovators of a wave bag. This is the season 1 collection. So this, I believe, is like the very first, this is their very first season, okay? Not, the other season ain't out yet. They're working on it, okay? But I looked at this bag, I was like, man, this is a nice bag, okay? And the purpose of this bag is to keep your brushes, do-rags, and all that. Because I know, okay, I know most of y'all wavers out there, okay? Most of y'all wavers out there, y'all got y'all do-rags, all over the place. They in your drawer, they on your dresser, they on your bed, they in the bathroom somewhere. They all over the place, And I feel like Dream Tsu, they kind of made it, they thought of something, okay? They thought of something that was like, you know what, like we need to make something for wavers that they could put all their products in, especially when you guys are on the road, I know most of y'all got this thing on y'all door where y'all put all your brushes, y'all do-rags in. Most of y'all organized like that, okay? But when you go on the road, what are you gonna do? You're gonna put all those products that you guys like take pride in, that you guys be putting in all these slots, and then you don't throw them in a garbage bag and then put them in your luggage bag, or then you're gonna go just throw them in your luggage bag, all the bristles. What's gonna happen to your bristles? That's why you need to get a Dream Tsu bag, okay? And I've had this bag for about a week now. About a week, or maybe a little bit less than that, but more than likely about a week, okay? And I really like it. It's I already know, bam, when I'm done with something, put it in there, okay? Now, I was one of those dudes, I had a whole drawer for all my wave stuff. I just threw all the do-rags, all the brushes, all the products in there. I just threw them all in there, okay? And I was like, then this company hit me up, it was like the heavens opened up, and I was just like looking, and I was like, finally, I can be organized. Because, I'm a clean person, I like all my stuff organized, and this company made it very easy, simple, a great water resistant material, so you know what, your brushes don't get damaged, say if you put this in your luggage bag, and you know what, the shampoo just busts everywhere, right? And it won't get on your do-rags, your wave brushes, and all that. It really keeps them, protected. I keep most of my brushes in here, combs, everything like that. That's how big the compartment is. You can fit about like 3 to 5 brushes in there. And then in here, y'all already know we got all the do-rags. All the do-rags is in here. And I got a good amount of do-rags from different companies and different things like that. I got a good amount of do-rags, okay? That's why I really like that that idea of giving waivers a bag, something to put their stuff in when they're going on the road, or just in general, they have a general location to keep their stuff in. I really feel like that's a dope idea. So now waivers, we don't really have to worry about our brushes, products, or do-rags getting messed up when we put them away. So I really like this idea that a company came up with. I feel like it's really dope, okay? I feel like it's really dope. Hasn't disappointed, no rips, no tears, not even cheap material. It's not even cheap, okay? You guys already know. I'm gonna put the link to their Instagram and their to their website where you can buy these these bags at, and you know, you guys go ahead and cop one. You know, because I feel like every waver, you know, you have money to buy a $28 brush. Go ahead and buy a bag to keep your do-rags and everything else protected, so then you really don't damage them. Because I feel like you would rather buy something that a lot of products that cost hundreds of dollars in total, you know, you want to keep those safe. That's what I'm trying. You want to keep those safe. Make sure they're all protected, because it'd be really tragic if something happened to them. And you know what? And it keeps everything in one place. You're not losing anything. Dang, Mom, what happened to my brush? Who touched my brush? You don't have to do all that, okay? So I really like their products. Go check them out. I mean, if y'all need a bag, go ahead and cop one. I mean, if y'all feel like it's unnecessary, well, I didn't say go cop one. I just, dang, go look at it at least, man. And get tempted at least. But you know, that's all I really had to come on here and say. I just really had to come on and touch on that, because I know you guys saw in another video, you know, I kind of mentioned it real quick. I gave it a little quick promo in there, a little real quick. I kind of just threw it in there. You know, I hope y'all caught on to it. I try to reel y'all in a little bit, y'all feel me? But yeah, that's all I had to say. I just had to come on here. I just had to talk about it. I just had to talk about it. You guys already know. But I think, guys, that's the end of the video. You know, if you guys like the idea of this bag, go ahead and let me know down in the comments if you guys think it's a cool bag, and let me know down in the comments what's something that you guys would want to see in a wave bag. Like what's something that you guys feel like if you guys were to buy a wave bag, what different compartments and different things like that, or just anything that y'all would want to see in a wave bag for you guys to buy it. I kind of want to hear you guys' ideas. Let me know down in the comments below, okay? But hey, you already know, if you guys liked the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. You guys already know why, because we dropping fire videos. I'm uploading every single day. I'm on the grind. You already know I'm on the grind. You know, the grind don't stop. And you know what? After I hit 10K, I was like, we gotta keep going. We gotta keep going. Gotta keep going. I don't know, when I hit 10K, it just gave me this big rush of wanting to go on grind. Wanting to put out all this stuff, because it just hit me. It was like, man, I actually, 10,000 people want to see some content. I'm gonna give you guys content. But you guys already know, hey, stay wavy. And the last thing I gotta say is 360 Woods. And I'm out. Yeah.